Introduction to Segment Addition. So this is just the beginning parts of learning how to add the pieces together for a geometric figure. So in the figure below, AB equals 19, AC equals 32, find BC. So I always start out by just redrawing it on my paper. Doesn't have to be perfect, so just kind of rough draw it like this. And then it says AB is 19. AC, which is the whole thing, is 32, and they want you to find, put it in red here, they want you to find this piece here. So if you know that this one is 19, and this whole thing is 32, there's definitely a piece missing from 32 to get from 19 to 32. So we simply just say 32 minus 19. In this case, I'm going to borrow this, so I'd end up with 3 and 1, so I would get 13. So this length here has to be 13 because the whole thing has to add up to 32. So really all it's doing is taking a piece of a line that you already know the length to. Or what it may do, which I'm hoping we will see, is that it will give us the two pieces and we have to add them together to see what the whole segment is. So we will go ahead and click start here. Come on, erase that. All right, so in the figure below, it tells us that we have X, Y, Z. And it's not necessarily important that they're exactly in the right spot or that it's super accurate to the picture. I mean, you don't want it to be wildly different, but it doesn't have to be perfect because you're not using a ruler to measure this. It automatically tells us that YZ is 8, and then it tells us that XY is 4. So this is exactly what I was kind of hoping it would do just a few seconds ago. So it's giving us the two pieces, and then they're asking us to find XZ. So we already know what this piece is and what this piece is. So it's just two pieces we need to put together. So we just go 4 plus 8, and we get 12. So we simply, keeps arguing with me here, simply type in 12, check, and there we go. All right. Sorry if I was sitting kind of back in the video there. All right, so this next one, I'll come over here. So I'm going to start off with blue on this one for a reason, because that's what my pen is already at. So I have L, J, and K is a little closer over here like this. All right, so it tells us that JL, so we have the whole piece, is 21. And then I'm going to do it in green, why not? KL, so this piece here is 8. And we need to find, running out of colors here, we need to find this piece here. Sorry, I went past it there, but we need to find the missing piece here. So we have the whole thing in one piece, we just simply subtract. So you can do your borrowing if you really want to do it that way, like this. So you'd have 3 and 1. So this piece here has to be 13. All right, one more. Okay. So I'm going to start with, we have J, K, L. All right, so now it's telling us that KL is 12 and JK is 19. So we went back to that first problem where we have the two pieces. I know what the two pieces are, and I want to put them together to find one length for the whole thing. So we simply just add the two pieces together and we get, not sure I started writing there. So we get 7, 31. All right, so we're going to go ahead and type in 31, and they're not giving us units on this one, so we just type in the number. We haven't worried about what units they are. All right, and that's another one down.